To start, go to ipo.rutgers.edu/dots. In the left sidebar under Parking, click the Manage Your Parking Account bullet. From there, log into your Rutgers parking account. Once logged in, go to the My Departments tab at the top. Click the Vehicles tab on the submenu, then click Add. Fill out all of the necessary vehicle information. Then, link the car to a driver. Name and email are required. Next, click Available Permits and choose the permit type that you'd like to assign. Then, select the vehicle that you'd like to assign the permit to. You can also use the search bar to help find which specific vehicle you'd like to assign. Select the date your guests will be on campus and click Save. To confirm the transaction has been completed, click Assigned Permits. You will see the permission number, the expiration date, and assigned vehicle.